Hey guys, welcome back to UChat tutorial. In this video, I'm showing you how to add an admin mode to your bot. Admin mode is basically a system for internal use. You can specify some of your users as administrators, so in your flow, the bot can check if this person is an admin, then go to staging subflow or admin actions subflow, otherwise go to production subflow. Let me show you how to. So in your flow, go Tools, Admins, and then you can add admins from a list. Click this search button, and then you will see all your user listing here. So I'm going to choose this account to be the admin. Alright, and then back to your flow. So the start green point is connected to the main menu directly. Now I'm going to add a condition step between it. So add the condition group, admin. So if the person is admin, yes. Then go to a send message step. Now you're under admin mode. Hi, first name, and then in this way your admin can access some advanced features for management purposes. For example, they can check user information, or they can check system reports, or just edit some bot fields and do some system configuration. Alright. So if the person is an admin, go to this menu. Otherwise, go to the production menu. Okay, let's test it. Publish. And then on UChat's website, let me firstly continue as a guest. So I'm now an ordinary menu. Okay, now it sent me hi guys, welcome to UChat, how may I help you? So this is the ordinary main menu. Now I'm ending this chat, and now I'm talking to the bot as an admin. Okay. Now the bot shows now I am under admin mode, so I can use these advanced features. Alright, that's how you add an admin mode to your bot. UChat is now making more admin features to help improve the efficiency of management. Once that's done, I will update a new tutorial to introduce that. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, please comment below, and see you next time.